Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the second unit poem. The title of the poem is Lessons in Life, written by two poets. Name of the poets are Daniel Ho and Brigette Bryant. Do you know this poem is actually taken from the music album in which Daniel Ho and Brigette Bryant use songs to teach children about the importance of friendship, respecting others and themselves in life. Dear students, I like to ask you a question. What do you feel when you met your friend after a long time? Shall I repeat the question? What do you feel when you met your friend after a long time? Yes, you may feel so happy, and at once on seeing your friend, you start sharing everything which you have in your heart. I too will do the same because we know that friends make us happy even in a sad occasion. But do you know that we all have different lessons to learn in life, even to maintain our friendship? Let us learn the lessons from this poem. This poem has 4 stanzas, but the second stanza is repeated as the fourth one, and it is the memory poem for you. Having a friend is like planting a flower. Show love and kindness, it one day will bloom. Yes, having a friend is like planting a flower. If we plant it and take care of the plant, that will give us beautiful flowers and makes us happy. In the same way, if we show love and kindness to our friends, our friendship will become too strong. A plant needs water to bloom, and friendship needs love and kindness to bloom. Let's be aware as we walk on this planet. Even the tiniest creature needs room. We should be very careful and conscious. The meaning of aware is careful and conscious. We should be very careful and conscious while we live in this planet Earth. It is in this planet Earth we should need to be very careful and conscious while we are living. And even the tiniest means very small. Creature means an animal. Even the tiniest creature needs room. That is, even a small animal needs care and space to live in this world. Yes, having a friend is like planting a flower. Show love and kindness, it one day will bloom. Let's be aware as we walk on this planet. Even the tiniest creature needs room. Yes, having a friend is like planting a flower plant. And flower, that is the flower plant needs water to bloom. Like that, friendship needs love and kindness to bloom. And we should be aware while we are living in this planet Earth. Also, the small animal needs space to live in this world. Lessons in life aren't always so simple. That is, everyone has to learn different lessons in our life. And that lessons are not easy or so simple to learn, because we may find some difficulties while learning the lessons in our life. Nothing you are given will ever come free. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. We cannot get anything free of cost. We have to pay something to get whatever it may be. For example, if you like to get a chocolate, you should pay for it. In this world, no one is willing to give anything free of cost. Nobody is willing to give you anything even for free of cost. They need something. For example, as I told you, if you need to buy anything or get anything, you have to pay some amount or money for it. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. Even if we receive the smallest gift from someone, we have to say thank you. Because do you know, after giving you that smallest gift, they are expecting to hear the word thank you from yourself. So, we should say thank you after receiving the smallest thing from others. So, even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. I respect you and you respect. I think of you and you think of me. See, if we respect others, whether they may be younger or elder, we can receive respect from them. Giving respect is mutual. That is, if you give, you can get. So, if we respect others, they will respect us. As giving respect is mutual, we should respect everyone around us. Yes, in the same way, if we think about the person who helped and show kindness towards us, then they too will think about us. Yes, it says that we should not forget anyone. If we think about the person, that is, if we think about the person who helped or show kindness towards us, then they too will think about us. Yes, I respect you and you respect. I think of you and you think of me. Yes, if we respect others, others will respect us. And if we think about others, others will think about us. Yes, so in the second stanza, lessons in life aren't always so simple. It is not so simple to learn the lessons in our life. And nothing you are given will ever come free. No one is willing to give you anything free of cost. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. And after receiving the smallest gift, you should say thank you. I respect you and you respect. If you respect others, they will respect you. I think of you and you think of me. So if you think about others and they will think about us. Remember, everyone here is important. When you are forgotten, it makes you feel sad. Yes, we have to remember that everyone around us is very important. Sometimes when we are forgotten by others, we feel so sad. For example, on your birthday, if your friend forget to send you the birthday wishes, you may feel so sad. Like that, if you fail to give importance to others, they will feel so sad. So, we should give importance to everyone around us. Know that you matter and you make a difference. Let no one shame you or make you feel bad. We are always important to everyone, and our presence makes great difference on others. So, we should never allow anyone to feel shame or bad about us. We should never allow anyone to feel shame or bad about us. Remember, everyone here is important. Everyone around us is very important. When you are forgotten, it makes you feel sad. Sometimes when we are forgotten by others, we feel so sad. In the same way, if you fail to give importance to others, they will feel sad. So, we should give importance to everyone. Know that you matter and you make a difference. We are always important to everyone, and our presence makes great difference on others. Let no one shame you or make you feel bad. So we should never allow anyone to feel shame or bad about us. Yes, now as I told you, the second stanza is repeated as the fourth one. Lessons in life aren't always so simple. These lessons in our life are not always so simple. Nothing you are given will ever come free. We cannot get anything free of cost in this world. For everything we have to pay something. Even the smallest of gifts deserves thank you. We should say thank you after receiving the smallest things from others. I respect you and you respect. If we respect others, they will respect us. I think of you and you think of me. As if we think about others, then instead they will think about us. Yes, I hope you understood the poem. And the theme of the poem is that we all have different lessons to learn in our life.